All right, here we come to the second set of elevators at the Polo garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. They just wait, but anyways, let's go ahead and ride now. These are Otis Gen 2. And they're glass as well. 5. Almost thought this panel was like wiggling for a sec. So I get the same exact view.
Going down.
1. Looks like this is the same exact view I got from the other elevator car, so these elevators aren't as exciting as the other ones in terms of the view. Watch this one close and we'll get the other elevator car. And there is music down here, so I'm gonna try to talk over as much as I could. And here comes this elevator car right here. Let's take this thing for a ride. 5. But that, oh, you can get a much better view of A&M from here. I might go for one ride on this. Let's close the door. Beautiful.
Going down.
Back down to 1, and we'll end there. Definitely identical to the other ones.
First floor.
Although these elevators aren't exciting, but the view is what I really love the most. But anyways, let's watch it close. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. There it goes. And that's it. Thanks and gig 'em.